Hey guys, how about some weird noises I picked up? CQDX 309, Central Iowa, standing by.
Come on in here, 309, 605 pointed right at you.
How's it going, guys? Cory the Random Guy here with you today. I'm going to show you, or share with you, some weird noises that I picked up, and maybe you guys will be able to kind of tell me what it is, or if you guys have heard this noise before. Now, there's a couple of different things that I'm going to show you. Before we begin, you guys know the drill. If you guys know or like these videos, like, subscribe, share, comment. Without further ado, let's get in. Short story, woke up at 2 o'clock this morning to weird noises over channel 38 lower sideband coming from my RCI. It actually kind of freaked me and the wife out because we didn't know what the hell it was. So maybe some of you guys have heard that as well, but here's a suggestion. If you guys have radios that are capable of running 24 hours a day, I would do it. There's a lot of crap going on in this world. Radio is going to be key here, maybe, soon. We don't know. The first clip I do want to show you actually happened on the 22nd of May. This was on Murs Channel 5, which is a VHF spectrum. And you guys kind of tell me if you guys have heard this before. Roll the film. Picking up weird stuff on Murs 5. Picking it up on here too. Now I do have dual watch on this Anytone on, so it's delayed. But it's giving me full signal, whatever it is. It's real prominent on here. Full signal on that too. That sounds weird. Maybe somebody can tell me what this is. Full signal, look at that. Last time it did this, it was on Murs 5 and 1. And they would alternate back and forth. Doesn't seem to be doing it this time. I'm even picking it up on my scanner sometimes too. But this is just a quick burst and the poor scanner can't catch it in time, but it's really weird. Somebody let me know what the hell that noise is. Wasn't that weird? This happens every once in a while, okay, on Murs. In case you guys didn't catch it in the clip there, the last time that happened, it happened on 2 Murs channels, channel 1 and 5, and they were alternating back and forth. This next clip I'm going to show you is what happened this morning on channel 38 lower sideband. So, guys, listen to this carefully. It sounds like an alarm system of some type, and there's 2 different variants, okay? 2 different variants of different signal. Guys, just watch this. Roll the film. 2 o'clock in the morning, guys, this is what I'm hearing. Channel 38, lower sideband. First noise I've heard yet either. I'll come back in if there's more. Two o'clock in the morning. Capturing it on my phone now. You guys can tell it's skip by the way it's fading in and out. Sounds like some sort of a warning system, an alarm system, something. That was what I heard at 2 o'clock in the morning. It was absolutely insane. And you could tell it was skip. okay, by the way it was fading in and out. And I should have recorded this too, because what happened afterwards was really weird as well. I heard very faint voices in the background, and I couldn't make out what they were. They were just so weak and stuff like that. I just could not pinpoint. The only thing I do know is they were foreign. So I'm not exactly sure what they were talking about or anything like that. It was just really, really bizarre. So again, guys, if you guys have the capability of running your radios 24/7, I would. You know, scan through all the bands, everything that you can. Listen. If something is going to happen in this world, it's going to come across something. Okay? That's what I'm doing. I'm constantly scanning through, constantly listening to anomalies out there, anything that's going on, and then sharing it with you guys as well. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think, and if you guys have heard this before, share your experiences. And guys, don't be afraid to post up your experiences if you guys catch them on camera. Go ahead and put them up, send me a link in the community tab so all of us can sit there and watch it. Stay safe out there and keep listening to the airwaves. Some really creepy stuff happening. 309 Central Iowa, signing off. See ya.